I've got a quick update coming for you this morning. We're going to look a little bit at BMNR, a little bit at the Bitcoin miners, Ethereum pushing up higher. We're going to do just a real quick one here. But before we get going, go ahead and smash that like button. Subscribe if you haven't done so already. Check out the channel memberships. All those things do so much to help the channel, and we're coming up on a very important part of the cycle. So go ahead and share the video as much as you can. Share the channel, share some sort of financial channel with somebody going forward, because we're getting to the point where it's going to be too late soon, but not quite yet. Anyways, check out the channel memberships. We're doing another $100+ day in stalagmite. I know doesn't sound like a whole lot, but there's days where we do significantly more, and there's days where we do less. So any day I'm doing more than $100, I'm feeling pretty good about the job I'm doing over there in stalagmite. That's where you get the real-time trade posts and members-only videos in the members section. We also have soda straw and stalactite, where you get badges, you get emojis, you get early access to videos, as well as a couple of priority items there in the member section. So go ahead and check that out. We are crushing it in there right now. All right, quickly update. So Bitcoin miners, I'm back in. I got back in. As of yesterday, I started getting back in. I got back in. I bought some Mara calls. Okay, so I bought some Mara calls off of the bottom here. So off of the bottom of this channel here. Now this does look a little bear flaggy, so if we break 1535, I'll have to walk away, but this is an area I felt okay with starting to take some risk, as it's following the bottom of this channel, looking like it wants to try to break up and out of this thing on Mara. Okay, I said that the global liquidity is starting to curl up at the end of the week. I'd better take a small starter position and start getting into these things, start getting ready for that final push up. I also picked up some HUT yesterday. Why did I pick up HUT? Well, it broke out of this bull flag, and as you can see today, it's starting to drive higher off of that break of the bull flag, which was at about $21, and now we are currently at $22.25. So I'm pretty happy with that. I took a starter position there as well on HUT. I also took a starter position on Hive. Same exact thesis. We had this downtrend, and once we broke out of it, and today it looks like we're going to open and close a candle completely detached from it. We could see this thing once it crosses 224. We could see it quickly push back up to the highs at 255 or even beyond. So I started taking a position on Hive as well. So I took a position on Mara, HUT, and Hive yesterday. I've also been in and out of BMNR because Ethereum has been on fire. I've been selling cash secured puts, near the money cash secured puts on BMNR. If you're in stalagmite, you know how much we're making off of this thing. It is insane, and I am thoroughly enjoying it. It's been such a fun joy to trade that one right now. It will eventually come back to bite us, but we're okay for now. The other thing we're looking at is Bitfarms. Bitfarms is flagging here, and once we get above that 200-day moving average, I really think Bitfarms is going to make a showing up to about that 171 level. I am still holding my calls on that. Of course, nothing I say is financial advice and not a suggestion to buy, sell, or hold any asset whatsoever. Come to your own conclusions, do your own research. You are responsible for your own risk. Bit Digital, I was asked by a member to look at Bit Digital, so I don't hate it here. I don't hate it here. Now, see this big volume bar right here? If you watch the volume analysis video, you'll know how I'm looking at this. Above 354, we conquered that. We fly much higher until the next big bar, which is going to be somewhere around like $4. Okay, so it's a 50-cent move, not really a big deal, but we are on lows right now. Okay, so it's on lows. Selling pressure is weakening. RSI starting to point up. We're above all the moving averages that matter except the 20. So we get above 317 on BT. I think it's going to start showing us some benefit to that Ethereum that it is holding. Okay, so Bit Digital does have some potential. I think in this current push, we could see as high as 450, about 450 or so. And to the downside, if we lose that 50-day moving average at 292, then I'd be scared about Bit Digital, and I'd be trying to walk away from that. So that's for the member who requested that. We got into this yesterday, and it's been doing SRFM. We got into this yesterday in stalagmite, and we are up 21% on that this morning. They missed earnings, but they must have had good forward guidance. I got in on the break of this line right here. I bought a few hundred shares, and it popped beautifully. So anyways, let's see. Is there anything else that really is important to go over right now? Let's see. That's about all I've got for you today. Please like, comment, subscribe, share this video. Check out the Trade Cave store and link in the description, as well as the channel bio, and have a profitable day.